Alright guys, your boy Imperial PC Gamer coming at you with a live, quick unboxing. What's up YouTube? A quick unboxing just to show you what the new product is. Additional accessory that I got for this graphics card as the XFX. It is the GTR variant. So that's like the best RX 480 that you can get. And talk about beast mode. This thing will overclock like crazy. And for those that don't know, XFX was pretty innovative this time around, and they've been doing this since the R9 380, because I had the same concept on that graphics card. But the only thing is you could take out the fans, you know, for basic maintenance and cleaning, get the dust and all that off of there, but you could not like swap them, for lack of a better word. Basically these are hot swappable fans, so it makes it very appealing for basically anybody who would love to go this route but maybe are conflicted because this does not go well with a theme. Maybe aesthetically it's just not what they want it to be, and so a set of new fans. These are the white LED Performance Series, the hard swap fans. We have a brand new RX 480 that just gave birth right now. Let's check out the little one, shall we? It's just I'm trying to get this content on my channel now that I'm going more towards my business side of things, because I build custom PCs for clients and stuff, and now I'm trying to work with sponsors and other companies to get products out so that I can make it a frequent thing on my channel, and where I can start doing unboxings, reviews, overviews. A lot of people say to throw this away. This is your driver's disc. Never do that. Keep it as a backup plan just in case you don't have internet access and you want to get your card going. Well, you're going to need a driver. So pop that in, get it going, and then update it when you get access. Oh yeah, here she is, folks. You cannot deny the price to performance value in such a graphics card as the RX series has been, which is cool. There we go, guys. Here's your hard swap fans. Pinch them together and just pull back like so, and as you can see there's the contact, and all you got to do is align that right there. Having this kind of flexibility with your graphics cards allows and affords a lot of people who aren't modders and tinkerers the flexibility to go ahead and do cleanings and whatnot to maintain their cards appropriately. So I might as well do it now while we're doing this. Okay. So for resale value, I make sure to try to keep everything as perfect as possible. Here we go. Nice LED logo. I'm not sure if it's RGB or if it's just white or red. You got a nice 8-pin with like how they did that with the new 580s. Because that was the one problem with the RX series when launched, was they came out with a 6-pin version, where it was kind of just stressing out a lot of the PCI Express slots. It's so power efficient, that's not even funny. A BIOS switch, so it has two video BIOSes. Do some voltage modding. Put a warning, this is rated X because there is tech nudity right here. Let's have a side profile view. Huge 8mm heat pipe sticking out the rear. Extremely fast and efficient dissipation of the heat coming off of the GPU. These capture that heat also and just spread it. So more surface area means the more amount of dissipation that you can get rid of. So that means more heftier overclocking. Another thing to note, just for those who may or may not know, and if you don't know now you will know, you notice there's no crossfire fingers anymore. There's nothing to hook up like ribbon wise to add a second GPU. That's why this is also a unique feature, because they've done away with that. They now interact just off of the PCI Express So that's freaking awesome to know. This is what you fit your GPU onto the motherboard, and it just slips right in. Everything is keyed. It's always offset, so you can never put something in the wrong way. It just won't fit. So you just align up whatever component it is, RAM to whatever, all is keyed. They'll have these notching systems. White LEDs with the black GPU is going to be a neutral look. I think it's going to be perfect, so it'll fit any theme. And so again, you just pair up the back pins and make sure they align. Kind of spread my fingers out, it just pops in there. And you'll hear a little click on each side, and just double check by pushing down everything. Give it a little wiggle, yep, and we're good to go. And she's already decked out. Love it. Eee, that's gonna look good. It looks cool, guys. So the review, build vlog, all that stuff will be coming up here shortly. I just want to get this out of the way just so I can get the content done and not be lazy. So practicing just to keep on point or more vlog style. Just bear with me setting this up. This is a handy cam. This is not a traditional DSLR. So I'm excited, guys. I hope you guys are too. I'm super stoked. Cannot thank you guys enough. Big shout out to the GAMERCROSSROADS. Big shout out to GameCrawl.com and GameCrawl.com. Get at me. I want to start doing some unboxings and reviews for you guys as well. Your message to me about doing that, and I apologize again. I deal with a lot of effects from my post-cancer just ailments and things that happen, so I don't know, it's no excuse, it's just work with me here. I'm trying to get better and taking it one day at a time, so I appreciate all you guys do. If you guys go check them out, GameCrawl.com. You can find them at GameCrawl X. I hope you guys enjoyed this overview, not the review, but overview of this GPU, its unboxing, a swappable fan. So put these away, just have a video record of it. I always document everything I do, just for the simple fact that I could use it for troubleshooting purposes. It's just a smart practice to do when you're doing this kind of work. You want to ensure you provide the best services by applying the best practices, right? Alright. Okay guys, there she goes. And out. It's your boy Imperial PC Gamer. Peace.